Hey guys, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer and we are here with another WhatNot haul. This one is from amazing Jennifer, lives on the other side of the state from me. We're gonna meet up next year, or this year, I guess. This is probably gonna come out in 2023. So it is this year now. I bought some items from her. She was doing a bundle sale on her WhatNot. Everything was $1, which is amazing. And then at the end, she did, she weighed everything once you decide you wanted to check out and did the shipping that way. So it was a little bit cheaper shipping wise. And I got 8 items and I spent, I want to say it was like $18 and something like that. I'll put it in here. But I got like at least 1 or 2 things I had never gotten before, some new brands to me. So we'll see how it goes. I really like what I got and I'm going to show you. So first, I got this really pretty Ralph Lauren. It's 100% linen. Yeah, 100% linen. And it's this really gorgeous yellow and pink floral skirt. I would say this is like, well, on me it'd be almost like ankle length. It does have a lining as well. And it's gorgeous. Great for the spring coming up, Easter, all those things. I just really liked it. It's a side zip. I might be doing, like I said, with some of my previous hauls from WhatNot, I might be doing a first dibs show on my Poshmark live, so we will see. But this is the first item I got from Jennifer. Then I got a bundle of 2 maternity tops, and I got this one just because I really liked it. It does not have a size or a brand, which I don't know if I knew that or not, but it's really funny. It's a tank top gray and it says, say Pregasaurus. Yeah, Pregasaurus on it, which I think is hilarious. So, and it has a Triceratops graphic on top of that. So that's pretty fun. And then the other one was actually new with tags. And this one is just time and true. It's a size medium, 8 to 10. But again, it is new with tag. And it's really soft actually. And it's another gray shirt. It's got the ruche sides. And it says, eat, sleep, grow, repeat. And it still has a sticker and everything on it. So I think this will definitely sell. This is really soft. Next, this was a new to me brand, but it looks like it can do well sometimes. It's called Cut Loose. And it's a size extra large. And it's just kind of like a pale yellow button-up shirt. It's very like heavy material. What is it? There's an extra button on the inside. They have like the shell buttons. Did it not have a fabric tag? I thought it did. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. So this is Tencel, rayon, and spandex. Size extra large, if I didn't already say that. So it does need a little bit of I just saw a little stain. I'll have to see if I can get that out. It has a little spot on the back. But has a lot of wrinkles, so I'll probably just try and wash it. Is it washable? I hope so. Yes, it's washable. So that'll go in the wash pile. But it's just a nice button up. And it feels very nice too. This, I really just liked it. The brand is Uzi, I think. Amphibious gear. It's a size medium. This might be like vintage because the tag is paper and it says made in USA. But it's like a little like, I guess I call it a dress. But it's got like butterflies and stuff on the front. And it's got very interesting, it's a very thin material, but it's got interesting stuff on the back too. This is gonna take a special person to buy probably, but I really liked it. So I got it. It was $1. Then I got this Sum is the brand. And I don't know if I had a size or not. It's very soft. Size large. It's rayon polyester spandex. It is dry clean only. It's a really pretty purple sweater. It's got these big dolman batwing sleeves. I looked up the brand and the comps looked fairly good. It's a nice purple color. So I'm hoping this will do well. It's very soft. I wonder if I could wear this. It looks very oversized for size large. So then I did get Smart Wool, and it's a size medium. And it has, I think, been shrunk, but there's not like, sometimes when you have like bad wool, it makes a weird sound when you pull on it, and it's not doing that. I'm just gonna put measurements in the listing and say that it is smaller in size. It needs a little bit of sweater shaving as well, but it's just a cute little gray brown sweater. It does have the little Smart Wool there as well, and I think I haven't never found this before, so I wanted to like kind of see how it does, because I've heard really good things about Smart Wool. And then one last thing she put in a little plastic. This is vintage. And it was a really fun piece. This is the kind of stuff I really like. And the brand is Cerucci. And it's a denim jacket, or like shacket, I guess, with some lace details. I really liked it, and the comps are actually fairly good, so we'll see how it does. But that is what I got from Jennifer. So what do you think about everything I got? Hopefully this will do pretty well. My last stuff I bought from Jen, I've already sold 2 of the items, I think. So hopefully this one goes just as well as that. And she does have some good sales on WhatNot, so definitely check her out. She does some unboxings as well. She's trying to get rid of some inventory that she got when she used to live in Oklahoma. She's got way too much stuff. If you've seen her house, there's boxes on boxes. So she was trying to get rid of some stuff, so that's why she was doing the dollar deals. And appreciate it, Jen. Thank you for watching. Let me know below what your favorite item was and if you would have gotten them. As always, subscribe to my channel if you aren't. Appreciate having you in my little YouTube family. And until next time, remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.